My name is Justin Porter. I work with Porter Lawn Maintenance. We're a family-owned and operated business. My dad started this business back in 2000. We're mainly focused on lawn maintenance and weed control and fertilization. We're primarily commercially based. We take care of a bunch of businesses here in Paris. We've been blessed very greatly in this business. We're proud to work here in Paris. So a typical day for me and the guys, we've got a shop here in Paris that we meet up at. It may be 6 a.m., it may be 8 a.m. We like to start as soon as the sun comes up. We kind of have a game plan of what we got planned for the day. Whether it be mowing or weed control, we load up the equipment on the trailers. That's where the Delco trailer here comes in handy. It's got enough space for us to handle and carry all of our equipment that we might need for the day. The number one biggest challenge is the weather. Here in Northeast Texas, we all know that the weather can be a little challenging sometimes. Like right now in the spring, we're battling the rain and the wind. You know, when it's too wet, we can't mow or spray, and then when the wind's blowing too hard, it's hard for us to get out there and spray. So the Delco Cargo trailer that we got here, we got it just before Christmas in 2023, and it's been a great asset for our business. So all in all, we can load up 5 pieces of ride-on equipment and keep it covered, keep it out of the weather, not have to worry about strapping anything down. And so it's been a great help for our business. What do we look for in a trailer? Well, number one, we want it to be strong enough to last up, because when we purchase a piece of equipment, we're actually going to be working with it every day, year-round. Number two would be the size of the trailer. We take care of a bunch of larger properties, so we need, you know, a larger trailer for all the equipment that we have. Being able to buy local was one thing with Delco. Is we went out there, we had a trailer in mind that we were looking for. We ran enclosed trailers before, but they were aluminum, they weren't made of steel. And so when we went out to Delco, we kind of sat down with the sales team and told them what we had in mind, and they were able to build the trailer exactly like we had in mind. It's a good feeling knowing that I have a trailer that works as hard as I do, because at the end of the day, when you're running a business, you know, you've got customers that you need to take care of, and the last thing that you want is a piece of equipment that breaks down or doesn't handle the daily wear and tear. And so knowing that I have a Delco trailer that can stand up to the test is one thing that makes me feel confident getting ready to go to work every day. With Delco trailers, my business stays on the road, stays going from business to business, taking care of our customers, and not having to worry about, you know, equipment breaking down, losing a trailer, anything that might cause us issues during the day. It just really makes our overall business run a lot smoother. If I had to describe Delco in one word, I would say Delco is dependable.